Hello friends and welcome to Infotainment. Well, here in this video we'll see how to calculate your age in years, months and days from your date of birth in Excel. So let us see how to do that.
So as you can see, I have opened an Excel file here. Here there is already first of all I like to say already a calculated formula available. As you can see, this is the date of birth. This is, I'll write it here, date of birth. So it's the same thing. I would like to bring it here in this row as well. I'll show you how to do that. If you enter any date of birth, for example 4th August 1988, I'll just press enter and the days will automatically change. So how to get this age, I'll tell you how to do that. So here, for example, I'll put another date, for example 2nd March 1995. We have to calculate the age here, that is this kind of output, or in years, months and days. So the basic concept is here we'll calculate the years, months and days, and finally we'll concatenate all these things. So for years, the formula is equal to DATEDIF, then bracket, it is the cell where you want to put the date of birth, this cell, that is A4, then comma, then today is the function of today's date, then comma, if I put on the bracket, then comma, then in quotes y. So this is the formula to calculate, and you have to close the bracket as well. So this is the formula to calculate the years. You see, I'll get year, that is 27. It will round up to the nearest year. This is 27 years. So for the same thing, I'll just copy, Control C and Control V. It is A4. So it is again coming 27. So here instead of Y, to get the months, I have to write YM and enter. You can see this is 8 months. Once you can see, instead of Y, I have put in YM. The same thing I'll just copy and paste here. Here again, this cell will be A4. So it is again coming 8. Since I have copied and pasted it, I will just change this YM to MD to get the dates or number of days. You can see 16 days. So here now what I have to do is, so here to get the concatenate age in this kind of format, like 34 years and 3 months and 3 days. So I have to get the figures like 27 years, 8 months, 16 days. For that I have to write a formula called concatenate. Before that, I just want to say I have put in this years, and you can see there is something called years and then months and days over here in another cell over here outside this sheet area, outside this working sheet area. What I have to do here is I'll concatenate all these things. Is equal to concatenate means it will connect everything or add up everything in the form of text. This, okay, I need the years, 27 years, and this cell again comma, then 8 months. So for months I have to again comma this months and again comma this 16 days, then again comma, and here write days. So you can see 27 years and 8 months and 16 days. So this is how you get this thing in figures in this format. So here what will happen, this one problem here, that if I for example there will be another date. For example, I'll just drag this date, get some random dates. Okay, so here you can see it should actually go on increasing. Okay, it is decreasing by days. So age is decreasing by days as it is increasing here, date of births. Okay, logically it's okay. So here if I just drag it down, the problem is I'll get something like this. So here you can see that it has already changed the cell while we drag it from this cell to this cell, E5 to E12. So here what we need to do is put $sign, that is dollar to freeze that cell. Means while dragging it will not take the lower cell. Same thing I'll do it here, dollar So all these cells, as you can see, are freezed now. So if I drag now, you can see the results have come correctly. So friends, if I put another date, some random date here, for example here I'll put 10th December 1992. You can see the date, 29 years, 11 months and 8 days. So this is how you can calculate the age in years, months and days by going through this formula. So if at all you just want the year, then this is the column. Only year and months, then this is the column. Is 29 years, 11 months. And if everything you want, then this is the age. So friends, I hope you found this video useful. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Please comment if you found any or if you know any easier method or better method to find the age. And please do subscribe to this channel Infotainment to get more of such informative videos on various topics, technical topics. So friends, till then, keep watching Infotainment. See you again. See you soon. Thank you.